Hi, this is Alan Smith. We're in Kathleen, Florida, and there'll be a CSX freight train coming here very shortly. But before it does, I want to show you some bad track here. Track is split up, missing pieces of wood, and when this train goes by, it's going to make these tracks go up and down. Almost feeling unsafe to stand this close when the train goes by, if it might derail. Let me show you what it looks like, and here comes the CSX right after that. In front you got bushes and weeds growing up through the middle of the tie, the wood split. This one here is going to bounce up and down like crazy. You got a piece of wood missing over here. The spikes are coming out of the track, and CSX needs to improve this area here before a train derails and kills somebody. Hi, this is Alan Smith, Millenniumforce. We're in Kathleen, Florida. Just about a few months after they had to redo these train tracks because the ties were all messed up, they redid them. We got an intermodal coming right now, so he's going to fly through here now after all these railroad ties have been replaced. As you can see, all the railroad tracks have been, the railroad ties have been replaced here since a year ago. And we have a CSX intermodal train that's going to come through here about 60 miles per hour. Let's watch.